It's our biggest Labor Day sale ever at Family Leisure. Enjoy a relaxing evening outside. In-stock patio furniture up to 70% off. 5-piece dining only $7.99. Deep seating groups only $8.99. Closeout deals on umbrellas, bases, covers, and more. Pools. Buy now and save. Up to 50% off in-stock pools. Fast professional installation. Spas. Soothe aching muscles. Buy a spa, get a sauna half off. Our biggest Labor Day sale ever. Going on right now at Family Leisure. It's our biggest Labor Day sale ever at Family Leisure. Time to bring home the fun. Pool tables, largest selection from the best manufacturers. You get the best break in town, starting at $14.99 install. Check out our huge selection of arcades, game tables, and more, all at guaranteed lowest prices. Relax and unwind in a new massage chair, starting at $9.99. Pool spas and patio furniture also on sale now. 0% interest until 2030 on select items. Our biggest Labor Day sale ever going on right now at Family Leisure.